Alright, so I've got my FuegoBox. Thank you so much, Brad Tweedy. Get this thing out of here. Alright, Fuego. I guess that's a volcano on fire. Just a mountain, maybe. Maybe it's like this. No? Twin peaks of a mountain, I guess. What do we have here? 33 drops of hot sauce. A pocket hot sauce tasting journal. Sweet. Make all my notes. This is... It looks a breakdown of... Oh, I'm an idiot. A breakdown of the sauces. Yeah, so we've got Frankie V's Spooky White Hot Sauce. Organic, no preservatives, made from scratch. What all we got in here? Habaneros. Mustard, ginger, garlic, onions. Sweet. There's a habanero salsa. Frankie V's Spooky White. We've got the... What's this? Got hot sauce packets here. We've got Palo Alto, Firefighters, pepper sauce, habanero. We've got a Zana sauce. Everyday hot sauce. Nice. Medium heat. Nothing crazy. Habaneros here. Cayenne. Delicious. And we've got the Born to Hula Ghost of Ancho. We got habaneros, ancho chilies, smoked boot cholokia, which of course is ghost peppers. And it's not just a hot sauce, it's a way of life. Can't wait to eat this stuff. Can't wait to burn my face on my hashtag FuegoBox. Thanks a lot, Brad Tweedy. You're the bomb, man. Later.